Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll discuss the Lewis structure of formic acid. It has a chemical formula of HCOOH. It's an organic acid and has a carboxylic functional group. And to determine its Lewis structure, we will first count the total number of valence electrons. We have one carbon atom having 4 valence electrons, 2 oxygen atom that has 6 valence electrons, and 2 hydrogen atom having 1 valence electron. And that gives us a total of 18. Now the arrangement of atom is quite simple if you know the formula of formic acid. It will be arranged in the same way as we have written the formula. So we will place carbon in the center of 2 oxygen atom and 1 hydrogen atom, and then we will bond the remaining hydrogen atom to any oxygen atom. After doing that, we will place electron in between each atom to show the bonds. Now hydrogen atom here has completed its outer shell. This oxygen needs 6 more electrons, this one needs 4 more electrons, and carbon here needs 2 more electrons to complete its octet. So let us assign 3 electron pairs to this oxygen atom and 2 electron pairs to this one right here. Well, this way we have used all our valence electrons, but carbon atom here is still in short of 2 electrons for completing its outer shell. So to avoid that, what we will do is we will shift electrons from oxygen atom here to in between oxygen and carbon, and that will result in the formation of double bond. So this is the final Lewis structure of formic acid, in which every atom has a complete outer shell and zero formal charge. For more such videos, make sure to subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching.